Lilywish is marketed as a stylish women's clothing store with affordable, elegant designs. But the real question is it legit or just another risky online fashion site? What it claims to be, at first glance, Lilywish presents itself as a boutique-style brand focused on elegant, comfortable clothing, thoughtfully designed collections, a lifestyle-driven brand story. But this is just branding. Here's what actually matters. What it does okay. Functional website. Runs on Shopify with secure checkout. No major malware flags detected. So it's a real, working store, not a fake page. Where it gets risky. 1. Very low trust signals. Trust score as low as 18.7/100. High risk. Another check shows only 52 out of 100 mixed trust. That's a big warning sign. 2. Extremely new website. Domain created late 2025, only a few months old. Many scam or dropshipping stores follow this pattern. 3. Limited transparency. Little verifiable company info. No strong brand history outside its own site. So is Lilywish real or fake? Short answer, real website, but not very trustworthy. Not clearly a scam, but shows multiple risk signals. Lilywish equals real store, but proceed with caution. If you're thinking of buying, start small. Don't rely on easy returns. Be skeptical of heavy discounts. For most people, safer to stick with established fashion retailers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.